Hey guys, welcome back and Happy New Year! I hope everybody had a great Christmas and I hope you will have a great New Year. This is my first video of 2018, which is so weird because that literally flew by so fast. Today's video is about my favourite products in 2017. Oh my god, I'm getting so mixed up. So I've tried my hardest to it's all right there, and there's so much stuff that I tried to reduce everything down, and this is what I've gotten out of the whole haul, if you will. I'm gonna just get started. I'm gonna do it by category, so my face first. So I'm gonna start off with foundations. I have 4 foundations that I've actually really been liking. The first one, actually I'm gonna start with the very first one that I found in 2017, which is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, and this is just so good. I love putting this into foundations where I can mix. So I like to make, you know, let's say sheer foundations a little bit more high coverage and put a few drops of this in, and it does the job really well. And this is really pale as well, so if I have, say, another foundation that's a little bit dark, I like to lighten it with a bit of this. And the one that I actually like to mix in with is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I think I've mentioned this in a few favourites before, and this one, but this one is so nice. This one is just so pretty on your skin and makes you look really luminous without making you look greasy. But I really like these two kind of combined. These just make it look so nice. I also really like the mixture of this and Estee Lauder Double Wear. That's my favourite foundation mixture ever. But I haven't really been using that as much as this one. But these two combined are just so nice, because this would be normally for me in the summertime, and I want to kind of make it lighter, so I like those two combinations. Next is the Fenty Beauty Foundation, the Pore Filter Pro Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in 150. This is so nice. I thought I wasn't going to like it as much as I do, but the the feel of it is really nice. I'm wearing it today, but it's way too dark for me right now. I'm just about to put fake tan on. This is 150, this is light, and this is my colour right now. It's so pale, that's why I put a jumper on. But I really like this foundation because it matches my skin perfectly when I have a little bit of sun on, and I love the way it's not matte feeling, and it doesn't look too dewy on me. It just looks really nice, especially for oily skin. Next, this is a late find now. This is the start of December find. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. This has been so hyped for so long, and I really I don't know why I smelled that, but I really wanted to try this foundation out because I've heard so much hype about it, so many good things about this, and I really like this, except it makes me very oily after only a few hours. This would be perfect for dry skin, and I think this is for dry skin, but I just wanted to try this because there was such a huge hype about it, and they didn't have my shade in the liquid, the one that looks like the, what is it called? I think it's just the Ultra HD Liquid Foundation, but they didn't have my shade. So I used this, and I do really like the finish of this. Is just so nice. It's so pretty. This is in the shade Y245. This is very dark. This is when I'm wearing fake tan, yellow. So I really like this when I'm wearing fake tan or in between tan. Wow. Great start to 2018. Alright, so next product that I have is for contour and a little bit of highlight, but I don't really use the highlight. This is the Rimmel Insta Duo Contour Stick. I've been loving this for contour. I never used the highlight stick end because I just don't like it. I just prefer to use a powder highlight. But the contour end, you could see I've used it so much. This is so nice, and it's really easy to blend out, but you do kind of have to be careful. If you leave it there too long without blending it out, you can kind of see the outline of where you put it. It's, yeah, but what I normally like to do is just kind of go one side, blend it, one side, blend it, and then just keep going with that. That's what I really like this. For tools, this has just been my baby. I've gone through I don't know how many of these, and I love them. I asked my brother to buy me a 4-pack of there's 2 of these, a contour, and then like one of these mini ones. My friend Rachel really likes these, so I'm glad that like it came with this so I can test it out and see what they're like. I think these are just for like underneath your eye for concealer. They're like literally the exact same but just purple and mini. So yeah. And onto concealers. I have two concealers. I have the Tarte Shape Tape, which has been so amazing. Oh my god, I love this concealer. I think there can be a dupe for this, and this is like €25, I think 25 to €27, I think, I'm not too sure. My other favorite concealer is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage, oh my god, why can't I say that, Liquid Camouflage Concealer. I have them in two shades. I have 10 Porcelain, and then I have 005 Light Natural. This is the one that I'm wearing now. This is for more when I have like a darker skin tone. But these are so nice. These are so creamy and liquidy, but like full coverage at the same time, whereas this is like thick and creamy, easy to blend out, and full coverage. This is definitely a lot more full coverage than this, but if you're looking for something that's close to it, I highly recommend looking into the Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. This is €4, like €4 and pennies. I swear to god, it's just so good. Onto mascara. From the beginning until like the middle of 2017, I've been obsessed with this mascara. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. This is unreal for lengthening your eyelashes. It gives a little bit of volume but not too much where it's like really clumpy. But if you're looking for something that's lengthening, really pretty, this just makes your eyes look fluttery. For the last half of 2017, well, like the last third of 2017, I've been loving the Volumizing Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal, and oh my god, this is really nice, because I do like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but the wand was like oddly too wide on both ends of the wand. But for sure I'm going to be repurchasing the Tarte one. It's just amazing. Then next for highlighters, this one I found when I was interrailing in Italy. This is the Becca what you call a highlighter in Opal. This is the mini version, but oh my god, I've like put such a dent into this. This is just amazing. This is probably my favorite highlighter ever, and it's so cute. Anyway, and then I found Brunch Club by Pennies. This is $3.50, and oh my god, it is so good. It's unreal. I really like this. This especially if you're going out, like, actually no, both of these. If you're going out and you want like a very very bright highlighter, either one of these are unreal. So going back to the very base, this is a moisturizer that I've been loving. This is the Olay Anti-Wrinkle Firm and Lift Night Cream. Now, I know I'm a bit crazy getting an anti-wrinkle cream, but you should really start using an anti-wrinkle cream in your 20s. Well, you're supposed to really use it in your mid-20s. Like, I'm a little bit too young to be starting to do it now. Maybe when you're 25. But I really wanted to try it out. So I've been using this, and oh my god, it's so moisturizing. It doesn't make me oilier, and it like lifts and firms my face, and I really like it, and it's anti-wrinkle, so I won't get wrinkles. Next, on to skin. No, I'm gonna go into eyeshadow palettes. Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette is, oh my god, it's just so nice. I'm so shocked that I haven't like hit pan on any of these shadows. Like, they are just stunning. Every single one of these shadows I am absolutely in love with. There's not one eyeshadow in here that I don't like. €65 is way too expensive. Like, it's really expensive. But for like the packaging, like the different formulas that you get in here, the different shadows, like just the whole feel of the packaging is so like well made. Like, the mirror is just really nice. I think it might be worth it, I don't know, but like, it's just so good. The other palette that I've just constantly been using is the Tarte in Bloom palette. It's, oh, the smell of it is just like makes you hungry. Oh wow, it's just, I've already hit pan on Sweetheart, which is so sad. You can see here it's like very slight hit pan, but like I'm very close to it on Smarty Pants as well, and Funny Girl. I've just been using this constantly non-stop. I brought this interrailing with me, and it's perfect. Like, you can do so many looks out of this palette. You could do cool, you could do warm, you could do smoky, you could do a night look, glam look, anything you want, like, you can really do with this palette. And it's just perfect because it has that really light shade up here, Charmer, and then it has that really dark smoky eyeshadow, Smoke Show, Activist and Leader, so you have 3 different tones of dark. So I really recommend this palette, it's just amazing. Okay, so next is more kind of hair related, but not the hair on my head, like more like body hair. This is so weird. Okay, so I have, some of us girls, you know, we got some mustache action going on, and it's not pretty, but I used to use Jolene, which is like a hair bleaching kind of kit thing, which is really, really good. Like, it's so good. I started using this maybe, I went to Portugal, when was that? That was like 2 years ago. But I only really used this for my arms because I get really, really dark arm hair. So I like to bleach the hair instead of removing it because in my mind, when I remove the hair, it'll just come back worse. And I've kind of found that when I started removing my moustache hair. But to remove the moustache hair, I've been using the Veet face hair removal kit, and this has been working really, really well. Like, I use that every maybe week and a half, maybe 2 weeks tops. So I do recommend them if you have any sort of problems like I do, or if you feel a little bit self-conscious and you want to help it, these products definitely would work. Next is fake tan. The fake tan that I've been kind of using all the time was the Cocoa Brown, but I wanted to try something new, and I heard the Bella Mianta tan is unreal, and let me tell you, it is. It is so nice. I really, really, really like this. I really want to try the Loving Tan, but it's like €45 and it's from Australia and it's gonna take so long to get here. So for the time being, I've just been using the Bella Mianta tan, and oh my god, it's so good. It's really, really nice. I really like this. This one is the Rapid Mousse. I think this is dark. This isn't ultra dark. I was gonna go ultra dark, but I'm ultra pale, so I think the dark one is a good one to start off with, but I really love this. So they're all my favorite products. I've had quite a few, but I've also had quite a few products I don't like. I might make a video on that because there have been loads of different products that I just have not liked in the year 2017. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!